Hi, Deufol. Can you handle the shipping of my goods from my location to your shop for packing?
Deufol can certainly help with any type of shipping needs you guys may have, from getting it from you guys to us, or vice versa, getting it from back from us to you. It's definitely something we can help with. We don't have a dedicated truck line, but we have many partners that we use on a regular basis that can certainly handle it. A lot of customers typically have a preferred vendor that they use, and some customers just don't want to deal with it and have us handle it. So it's not uncommon for us to handle those types of situations.